Liam froze the moment he realized his car keys were gone. He was already late for a client meeting in downtown Montreal, and panic kicked in fast. A friend told him about Car Keys 24/7, a local car locksmith known for fast response and on-site help. Within minutes of calling, a technician arrived, fully equipped to cut and program a new key right there in the parking lot. No towing, no delays, no overpriced dealership wait times. Their 24/7 availability, wide car brand coverage, and quick turnaround changed Liam's day completely. What started as a stressful moment turned into relief because he found a team that actually shows up when it matters. That experience made Car Keys 24/7 his trusted go-to for any car key issue in Montreal. So, like him, are you having the same problem? Call Car Keys 24/7 at 514-360-1777 or browse carkeys247.ca to book a service.